Hey, good morning YouTube. How's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And this morning is kind of a different video because we already did what I was going to videotape, but I forgot to videotape it because we wanted to hurry up and get it done because it's already in the 80s and I'm out in the driveway. I got a canopy over top my truck, but that only shades you for so much. And it's supposed to hit 102 by 2 o'clock this afternoon. So I wanted to hurry up and get this done, and thankfully and appreciatively, because my son-in-law helped me, we were able to kick it out within an hour and a half, and I can't thank him enough. You know, he was a big help. There was no way I'd probably still be fighting it and speaking in tongues. So, but anyways, yeah, it's supposed to get pretty hot right now. Okay. And so what he helped me with was we changed the cab body mounts. And I wanted to do that before I get the painting and stuff. Because once I primer the floor on the cab, you know, I don't want to have to go back and pull nuts and bolts out and change that. So I wanted to change that before I got to primering it. That way it's in there, it's done. I can primer and not have to touch it anymore, period. So we went ahead and did that. And like I said, I couldn't thank him enough. You know, he was a big help. So anyways, let's go ahead and I'll show you what we did. All right. I mean, it's finished, but you know, I can still show you the finished product. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can see I got the canopy, but that only shades you for so much, and the heat will still get you. So let me show you here. We're on the passenger side. These are the old mounts, okay? And as you can see, yeah, them babies they are shot. Yep, look at there. Okay, that's the front mounts. The back one wasn't really that bad. It looks like somebody might have changed it a few years back. It doesn't look like the original because it's in pretty good shape, but I still could be wrong. But the front one, you can definitely tell it's the originals. I mean, look at how bad that is and everything. Okay, so what we did, let me show you what it looks like now that it's done. See if I can get inside there. Okay, so there's the new one. All right, it's in there nice and tight and ready to go. Now I don't have to touch it and do anything to it, and I can go ahead and primer without no problem. And then in the back over here, okay, let's see if I can get it. Okay, there it is. So that's the new one right there. All right, there's that there, and then of course there's that right there. All right, but that's the back one. And then you win, that's on the, that there's on the passenger side. And then let's go ahead and come over here to the driver's side. All right, and the mounts on the body looks the same as the passenger side, but see, here's the front ones. All right, and that's for the driver's side. Yeah, you can see how eaten up those are. In pretty bad shape. I mean, look at that bolt. I mean, there's that bushing and stuff. And then the back ones, so you could tell this one's all, you know, eaten up and no good, you know. So we got it all taken care of. And that was this morning's project. And now I'm going to take me a break. I'm going to hydrate, drink a lot of water and get all hydrated and, you know, cool down a little bit. Yeah, once I get back from cooling down, you know, we'll see what I can do. Maybe I'll just kick back and tinker, you know, and just do small stuff in the garage with the fan on. Because I don't know, depends on how hot it. try that again. That's about a blooper. Anyways, since I can't speak, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my subscribers. I hope I can bring you more content that you guys are willing to see. Some people find it boring to be out here working on a truck nonstop, you know, doing a restoration. To them it's tedious and boring, and they'd rather go pay somebody to do it for them. But there's some pride in it, you know. I'm doing it myself. I'm with help sometimes, and I'm learning a lot of things. I know where everything's going to be at in case I need to fix it again. You know, it's like a bonding thing with my truck, and I did it. You know, I'll be doing it, and I'll paint it, and I'll do everything and that I can. And there's a little bit, like I said, a little bit of pride in that. And there's a whole different, you know, I guess you would say, relationship. Anyways, enough rambling. What the hell? You guys have a good day. Thanks for subscribing, you know, and liking. And I've been getting more and more comments and everything, and I appreciate that. But if I do work on it again later this afternoon on something else, I'll try to remember to videotape it and everything. But again, I appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. If I don't see you by then, happy 4th of July. You know, even though it's kind of early, but like I said, I may be too busy to do anything, and we may not see you till afterwards. So y'all have a good weekend and 4th of July, and God bless.